Hello guys, welcome to Sheikh Family Vlog. This is Furkan here. Today we are going to visit a Villaggio Mall which is situated in the city of Doha. Guys, this mall is very beautiful. It has good ambience, food court, very nice. Especially kids love to go here every time. If you like my vlog, kindly do subscribe, like and comment on below. Hi Naima.
Hi, we are in Villaggio and we are doing a boat ride.
Yes, it is so fun. It is so fun.
Hi. Hello Ali. Remove your mask.
वो भी आएगा. So, this is Villaggio
And this is Ted Baker, London.
and it's like London. Yes. So the London Bridge is falling down.
Yeah.
The London Bridge is falling down. Oh,
Say something.
what? What you say?